Welcome to our video on the incredible benefits of running every day. Running is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore the many advantages of incorporating a daily run into your routine and provide you with practical tips for safe and effective running. Let's get started. Enhanced mood and reduced stress. Running is a fantastic mood booster. Studies have shown that a 30-minute run can significantly improve mood, especially in those suffering from depression. Even a slow-paced run can elevate your spirits. The secret lies in endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, released during running. This runner's high leaves you feeling happy and uplifted. Weight management and calorie burning. Running is also an effective way to manage your weight. Did you know that a 70-kilogram runner burns about 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace? That's around 366 calories in just 30 minutes. The faster you run, or if you tackle hills or windy conditions, the more calories you'll burn. To maximize your calorie burn, consider varying your pace and incorporating interval training. Stronger knees and bones. Contrary to popular belief, running strengthens your knees and bones. Research suggests that runners are less likely to suffer from knee pain compared to non-runners. Running strengthens the muscles around your knees and increases bone density due to the impact when your feet hit the ground. This impact stimulates your bones to adapt and become stronger. Activities like swimming or walking lack this beneficial impact. Improved cardiovascular health. Running is excellent for your heart. It's a fantastic cardiovascular exercise that can significantly reduce your risk of developing heart diseases. Even short runs, as little as 10 minutes of slow jogging, can make a big difference. The key is consistency. Aim to run most days of the week to keep your heart healthy and strong. Sharper brain function. Aerobic exercises like running also boost brain function. Running increases your heart rate and blood flow, delivering more oxygen to your brain. This enhanced blood flow can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. If you're looking to sharpen your mind, adding a daily run to your routine is a great strategy. Better sleep. Struggling with sleep? Running can help. Studies have found that regular running significantly improves sleep quality. People who run at a moderate pace for at least 30 minutes, 5 times a week, tend to sleep better and feel more refreshed. So, lace up your shoes and enjoy a good night's sleep. Stronger immunity. Regular aerobic exercise, including running, strengthens your immune system. Consistent running can reduce your risk of getting sick and may even lower the risk of developing certain cancers. By making running a daily habit, you're not just building physical fitness but also fortifying your immune defenses. Beautiful and toned legs. Running works wonders for your legs. It strengthens and tones your calves, hamstrings, glutes, and hips. Plus, it engages your core and back muscles, essential for stability while running. If you dream of having strong, toned legs, daily running is the way to go. Safety tips for daily runners. To reap these benefits safely, follow these tips. 1. Invest in proper running shoes. They provide the necessary support and cushioning. 2. Increase mileage gradually. Avoid injuries by slowly building up your distance. 3. Cross-train. Include activities like swimming or cycling to rest running muscles and work different groups. 4. Warm up and cool down. Prepare your muscles for running and help them recover afterward. 5. Consider a coach. A coach can improve your technique and prevent injuries, especially for beginners. Running on the street versus treadmill. Where should you run? Here's a comparison. Street running provides a more natural running experience and allows you to vary your speed and route. It's also psychologically easier to run outdoors for longer distances. However, weather conditions and air pollution can be factors to consider. Treadmill running offers a controlled environment with filtered air, which is ideal if you live in a polluted area. It can also be motivating to have a variety of pre-programmed workouts available. However, treadmills can feel monotonous, and it may be psychologically harder to maintain motivation. Ultimately, the best place to run depends on your individual preferences and circumstances. In conclusion, Running every day offers a multitude of benefits for both your body and mind. So, lace up your shoes and hit the ground running. By incorporating running into your daily routine, you can reap a multitude of benefits for your physical and mental health. Thanks for watching this video on the benefits of running. We hope you found it informative. If you're already a runner, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're just starting out, let us know what questions you have. We're always happy to help. Running is a great way to get in shape and feel better. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and advice.